You hear your toilet randomly filling up at night or a constant running sound like a faucet inside the tank. That noise isn't just annoying, it's quietly draining your water bill.
If your toilet keeps filling up then stopping, or sounds like it's never shutting off, you got a problem, and it's costing you money.
A worn-out flapper lets water leak from the tank into the bowl. Tank empties, fill valve refills it, then it leaks again. This cycle repeats all day.
Easy fix. Takes 5 minutes and saves you gallons every day. If it sounds like a faucet never stops, your fill valve is stuck. The float isn't stopping the water, so it keeps flowing into the overflow. Adjust the float or replace the whole fill valve. Either way, you stop the nonstop running and wasted water. A running toilet can waste 200 to over 1,000 gallons a day. That's 6,000 to 30,000 gallons a month. $15 to over $100 extra on your water bill. Listen to your toilet. Check the flapper first, then the fill valve. Simple fixes save you money. Don't ignore those noises, or that silent leak gonna keep draining your pockets while you sleep.